This tutorial will guide you how to change Amazon Flex region. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. But before you begin our tutorial, make sure to listen to this. To change your region on Amazon Flex, you must be at level 2. If you're below level 2, the only option is to close your current account and create a new one. Make sure your old account is fully deleted before activating the new one, as Amazon may ban users for having multiple accounts. Now, Amazon introduced the level 2 requirement because some drivers were signing up in regions that accepted new drivers and then immediately requesting a region change. They were basically abusing the region change feature. Now, if you're qualified for the level 2, to change your region, make sure to go to the Amazon Flex website, which is flex.amazon.com. Now, this is for US. If you're from the UK, you'll have to go to flex.amazon.co.uk. Now, also this page, make sure to select here on support and then click on support page here. Also, this support page, make sure to scroll down to check for the contact details. You can either call them using the phone number which has been provided here. If you're from the UK, just select here on help and then click on support. Now, also the support page, scroll down, you should see a phone number where you can call them or you can email them through the email which has been provided here. But the region change is only available if you are on level 2 or more. So to change your region on Amazon Flex, you must be at level 2. And the way you should change your region is just contacting the support team. You can either contacting them through their website or through in-app support. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.